The Las Vegas Raiders are once again at the center of the NFL universe, and this time it is not about a blockbuster trade or a shocking signing, but something even more powerful that could completely reshape the direction of the entire franchise. Sources around the league are calling it one of the most important coaching decisions in recent years, and fans of the Las Vegas Raiders are struggling to even process what just happened. After weeks of speculation, rumors, and silent negotiations behind the scenes, it now appears official that the Raiders have secured their dream head coach replacement, a move that could change everything from the locker room culture to the team's long-term championship hopes. This moment did not come out of nowhere. For months, there has been growing pressure on the organization following inconsistent performances, leadership questions, and a lack of identity on both sides of the football. Insiders say the front office had been quietly evaluating multiple high-profile candidates, weighing experience, leadership style, and offensive philosophy. The idea was simple but urgent. If the Raiders wanted to become serious Super Bowl contenders again, they needed a leader who could transform the entire culture from the ground up. What makes this decision even more dramatic is how quickly things escalated behind closed doors. Just days ago, most reports suggested that negotiations were still ongoing, with several names still in contention. But suddenly, everything shifted. Meetings were accelerated, final discussions were held late into the night, and by the morning, the deal was reportedly complete. The organization has not only found a new head coach, but someone they believe can redefine the identity of the franchise for years to come. League analysts are already calling this one of the boldest moves in recent Raiders history. The franchise has always been known for aggressive decisions, but this one feels different. It is not just about making noise in the offseason, it is about building a foundation that can compete with the elite teams in the NFL. And according to early reports, the new head coach is expected to bring a completely new system, both offensively and defensively, that prioritizes discipline, speed, and adaptability. Inside the facility, the atmosphere is said to be electric. Players were reportedly informed shortly after the agreement was finalized, and reactions ranged from surprise to excitement. Some veterans believe this is exactly the kind of reset the team needed, while younger players see it as an opportunity to prove themselves under a new leadership style. Change in an NFL locker room is never easy, but in this case, it feels like many were already anticipating it. What makes this situation even more fascinating is how it reflects the larger expectations surrounding modern NFL franchises. Success is no longer just about talent on the field. It is about leadership, structure, and the ability to adapt in real time. The Raiders organization seems to understand that, and this move signals a clear commitment to evolving with the league rather than falling behind it. Fans have reacted instantly across social media, with excitement spreading rapidly. Some are calling it the beginning of a new era, while others are cautiously optimistic, waiting to see how the first few games unfold under the new system. But regardless of opinion, one thing is clear: the Raiders are no longer standing still. They are moving aggressively toward a future they believe can include championship contention. Around the league, rival teams are also paying attention. Coaches and executives know that when a franchise like the Raiders makes a move this significant, it can shift the competitive balance in unexpected ways. Preparation for next season now becomes more complicated, as teams will have to adjust to an entirely new coaching philosophy when facing Las Vegas. What stands out most about this coaching change is the rumored vision behind it. Reports suggest the new head coach is not just focused on short-term improvement, but on building a sustainable winning culture. That includes reshaping training habits, redefining player accountability, and creating a system where performance consistency is valued above everything else. It is a long-term strategy, and one that requires patience, but also promises stability if executed correctly. Within the organization, there is also belief that this move will elevate key players who have yet to reach their full potential. Offensive weapons are expected to be used more creatively, while the defense could see a more aggressive and unpredictable approach. This shift in philosophy could unlock a new level of performance that fans have been waiting years to see. It is also worth noting how important timing has been in all of this. Making such a major decision before the full offseason begins allows the coaching staff to immediately start planning, evaluating film, and building relationships with players. This early transition is often considered critical for long-term success, and the Raiders appear to have handled it with precision and urgency. Still, not everything will be smooth. Every coaching change comes with challenges, especially in the first few months. Players must adapt to new terminology, new expectations, and possibly even new positions or roles. There will be growing pains, and early results may not fully reflect the long-term vision. However, insiders insist that the organization is prepared for that reality and willing to stay committed through the adjustment period. As the news continues to spread, comparisons are already being made to other successful franchise turnarounds in recent NFL history. Teams that once struggled but eventually became contenders often share one common factor: a decisive leadership change that reset the culture entirely. The Raiders now hope they are entering that same category of transformation. Another major talking point is how this move could impact future roster decisions. With a new head coach in place, player evaluations will shift dramatically. Some current players may see expanded roles, while others could find themselves on the edge depending on how well they fit the new system. This kind of restructuring is common after major coaching changes, but it always adds an extra layer of uncertainty heading into the season. The front office, however, seems confident. Their belief is that this change will not only improve performance but also attract new talent in future free agency cycles. Top players often want to join organizations with strong leadership and clear direction, and this move sends a strong message that the Raiders are serious about building something competitive and stable. For now, the focus shifts to preparation. Off-season programs, training camps, and preseason matchups will all become the first real test of this new era. Fans will be watching closely to see how quickly the team adapts and whether the hype surrounding this decision translates into real on-field results. In the end, this is more than just a coaching change. It is a statement. It is the Raiders declaring that they are ready to stop rebuilding and start competing at the highest level again. Whether this decision leads to immediate success or takes time to fully develop remains to be seen, but the direction is now clear. The NFL is a league defined by moments like this, where one decision can alter the trajectory of an entire franchise. And for the Las Vegas Raiders, this may be one of those defining moments. The pressure is high, the expectations are rising, and the spotlight is brighter than ever. As the dust begins to settle, one thing is certain. A new chapter has begun in Las Vegas, and the entire football world will be watching closely to see if this bold move becomes the foundation of something truly special, or just another chapter in a long history of reinvention. Either way, the Raiders have made their statement, and the league has been put on notice.